So I kind of wanted to give everybody a look at my 75 gallon, if it can focus. I've kind of moved some fish around, and I've got a fish room downstairs. I've got some salt water down there, and some other tanks. This one here, I decided I was going to try a new fish, and let me see if I can find him for you. So he is a green Texas cichlid. He's been in here for about 4 days. He's about 1.5 inches in size. He's very friendly. He comes right to the tank when I'm sitting here. As you can see, he came swimming over as soon as I got close to the tank. He's already been fed, so it's not like he's looking for food. He's just already showing some personality. These guys can, from what I understand, depending on if it's a male or a female, you're looking at 9 to 10, 11 inches. And they're quite aggressive. I've kept many cichlids, everything from peacocks and haps, convict cichlids, Oscars. A lot of those I have downstairs in the fish room. He's going to be the only one in the 75. So I'm going to show you kind of what I've got set up in here, in equipment wise. So those power heads are, I believe, 450 gallons per hour, and they are Amazon specials. These are actually over a year old. And they're $17 a pair. And I actually have these running on one of my saltwater tanks, actually a couple of them, and so far they're doing fantastic. As you can see, I'm running 2 Fluval heaters, one on each side. And then the biggest thing I wanted to share was the filters that I'm running. These are Top Fin Pro Series, and you can get them at PetSmart. A few other places, but they're just not nearly as available as the Fluval hang on the back filters. I think you guys should really check these out. They're actually less expensive, not by a lot, but they're less expensive than the Fluval. I've been running these for a couple years. I got them on several tanks, and it's like somebody took the Fluval design and said, we can make this way better, and I'm going to show you how. So as you can see, they're a large filter. They do have a indicator on them when they start getting clogged. And then, like the Fluval, they have a media basket. But what makes these better than the Fluval, let me pull this out, is the basket. So you just pull it out using those tabs, and it's completely self-enclosed. So I am running some of the bio media that which is on top that came with the filters, but I'm also running BioHome as the main filter. It has the bio filters. It's a great product. So right now I'm just running a sponge, and of course I buy this in bulk again on Amazon to get a big sheet of it. I bought a sheet, gosh, about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, and I've only gone through half of it. As these start getting really dirty and you really can't clean them, I'll cut a new one and put it in. But again, these are Top Fin, and they're the Pro Series. Well worth the money. So I am running 2, and these are 75 gallon apiece filters, one on each side. and they're actually quieter than the Fluval. And they do have a control function on it for the amount of flow. You basically turn that knob to slow it down, and it kind of closes it up a little bit, and you can kind of control the flow. The other thing that I am running, and I highly recommend these, are the Hygger LED lights. These are very elegant, very flat. It's got kind of an anodized brushed aluminum texture to it. Fully controllable. I don't use any of the options as far as light colors and things like that. I just utilize the lights on full spectrum, this being, of course, a fresh water. But they do have blue, green, and white lights. But I'll be uploading videos on this guy as he grows. Talk to you soon.